Grapefruit Juice Recipe Grapefruit Juice Blender. Welcome to Healthy Living with our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make a homemade grape juice with a blender. And this is very simple to do. You don't need a juicer to mix, and you don't need an expensive blender to do your grape juice. So let's go ahead and see what we can do together. Alright, so here we are with our grapefruit. I have about 7 of these, and I am just going to take this off. Simple way. I got this. And decided this here because we are going to cut in this once I finish all of this. Just come with your knife. Well, as you can see, I am going to finish all these, and then we'll come back and cut it all up and send it. Alright, so now I'm just going to clean this up, and we'll come back and start cutting this up. Alright, and we are just finished. And I am going to clean this place, and we will start blending our grapefruit. So as we have finished cutting grapefruit, we are going to put it in a blender. It is so juicy, and that's what we want. This is very healthy, and it's easy to make at home. You don't have to have a blender to make your simple grapefruit juice. So we're going to do 2 batches. So that is 1, and we can start blending. Put this in the blender. We blend. And that is this one is done, this batch, and I'm going to pour this. I have my strainer here. We're gonna use a strainer to strain it. So I have this right here. I'm going to pour this, and that is so easy. It's just coming out right. Pour all that in there. That is perfect. And then just belt. Oh my goodness, that's a good juice coming out. And with this, I'm going to put the remaining batch in here and blend all this quickly. Alright, this is done as well, and we are just going to make sure we strain this out. This is very simple. Okay? Have your fresh, delicious grape juice at home. Homemade, fresh. Look at this. Pour the rest in here. Wow, look at that. There we go. Look at our juice we have. Look at this lovely fresh grapefruit juice that we just made. And then I'm just gonna take this foam off just from us. Then we have nice juice to drink. So out of 7 grapefruit, we have 32. We have almost a half a gallon. So we have 1 quart of grapefruit juice out of 7 grapefruits that we just cut and blend and then strain. And this is very looks so fresh, and I'm going to pour this in a glass and we are going to see how this looks like. Well, as we can see, we are going to pour some with some ice on it, and mind you, it's just the way you want to enjoy this. It doesn't matter. So we're gonna pour some on here and just look at that. Look at the texture. Look at the loveliness. There. Look at our grapefruit juice recipe that we just made. Looks so great, looks so delicious, and you can have this anytime. One of the reasons why I like grapefruit juice is because it's loaded with a lot of minerals, and sometimes it's called superfood because it have vitamin C, vitamin A, calcium, iron, which is all good for our body. So I hope this video helps you to make your own fresh homemade grapefruit juice with a blender, and don't need to have expensive blender, just a cheap blender. The blender I use is almost like $5, under $10. So you can find a good blender that will not cost you much to make your orange juice, fresh orange juice, fresh grapefruit juice, all at home, in your comfort at your home. Know what is in your juice, and it's very healthy for you, and that's how I like to make my juices. So I want to show you this, and I hope this video helps you to make your own homemade grapefruit juice. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, share. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as always. Thank you for watching my videos, and I hope you enjoy your grapefruit juice and stay healthy. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.